Hello, Placer families. Now that cross country is over, I wanted to review some dismissal reminders because we are going to have a more typical amount of students out at pickup time going forward. So, as a reminder, CHP issued a warning against prestaging, which means lining up on Horseshoe Bar Road before dismissal starts at 2:20. So, please stick to that. I know they haven't been out here very frequently, but when they were and people were following that reminder, we were done with dismissal by 2:35. So it really is the advice that we should be following. And if they do choose to be present, I know that they are going to be issuing citations if people are pre-staging on Horseshoe Bar Road. So thank you for following that recommendation. 2:35 is the time when students need to be picked up by. That's when our teacher supervision ends, and students who are still on campus at 2:35 and have not been picked up will be sent to aftercare. This is a policy for all 7 of our school sites. It's a safety issue. So please just know we will be sending students to aftercare at 2:35. Thank you for keeping our Placer students safe. Thank you for respecting our staff and their time. And thank you for supporting our school. Go Miners!